So hey, hi everyone. So in this video we will see how to use Podman to manage the minikube clusters, and so it will integrate like it will so Podman desktop, right? Provide a interface and to manage that cluster. So you do not have to run the CLI commands, and it's a provide a graphical or desktop interface. So let's start. So I already have the Podman desktop installed. So let's start that. Yeah. So this is Podman desktop, and we already have Podman installed, uh, and it's also running now. So on start, and for the in the last video we integrated that we created kind cluster and we managed through the Podman, and it's currently in stopped state. Here we have the minikube cluster option. So does not comes by default. For that we have to install one extension. So in the catalog option you will see this, that I already have these things installed, minikube, and after that you will get this option minikube. So let's say create new cluster. So the I will keep the things default: name, driver, Podman, and runtime cryo. So let's say in this logs, so it's like the logs from the minikube CLI. It's using the Podman experiment as driver, and control plane, and pulling the base image, downloading Kubernetes preload. So we already have the image. So it uses this one GCR KTS minikube KIC base image. So let's wait for this. So in the status here you can see it's creating. Also in the tasks, one running task is there. So stay on this page unless it until it get created. So let's wait for some time. So now it's setting the proxies, and no proxy, then starting the control plane. So creation is successful. Let's see logo, and yeah, so it's showing running. It's running, and the API Kubernetes endpoint is on this port, and here we can see that like same thing, some logs is not there yet. But if I go back here, and then in the cube context we have the minikube now. Earlier it was kind cluster. So let's check from the CLI. So let's say kubectl get nodes. So we have the minikube with control plane ready, and other features like the Kubernetes, the way we explore that. So here in the image the same thing, it's just graphical. In the Kubernetes section we have the node active one and total one, and the service the default. So by default we can also see the all pods. Let's say kubectl and get UA. So we have these many pods. So coordinates, etcd, and kindnet. So some feature these are very similar to the minikube, kind cluster, but we do not have the the ingress controller installed. We have the scheduler, proxy, the core components of the Kubernetes are there. This is the for the CNI plugin, and yeah, so this is just to explore that we can explore from here. And It also supports all the life cycle, so we can restart and we can stop, and this delete will come after stopping it, and so on. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thanks everyone.